This is a 23-0 Peregrine Pro 180 awning. Got the awning right there, and then this is the wall kit. It's a one-piece wall kit that goes all the way around, and got it staked out to the ground. It gets really dark inside. We kind of got an overcast sky, but I'm going to hook up the power cables to the two lights in here to my Jackery Explorer 300 version 2. So we're gonna do that right now. There's a bag that comes with the awning right here, a little green bag, and it's got the cabling kit in it. Oh, we got some water in there. Lots of rain. That's from the rain, so that's something to keep in mind. I think it's one long cable, and it's got two connections on it. Again, I've only hooked this up once. So here's our USB side. We'll plug that in. Turn the power on. Turn the USB on. I'll go the furthest away. So if you come over here and look, there's a plug right here. This just fits into it. And then there's a Y connector, or a T connector, I guess you could say, right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect that one in, and then hit the power button. Hit the power button. There we go. And we got light, so we're going to turn the light. That's all the way up. And then there's some Velcro right here that you can take and run the cable through, so it's not hanging down. There's 2 or 3 of these. There's a second one right here. And this is just to get the cable out of the way, and then, so there's 3 of them total. Here's the third one. And I don't have my tailgate open right now. We're just demonstrating with that. So this is how much space is underneath. Can you grab a tape measure? Here's the driver's side of the Tacoma. I'm 6'2", and I'm gonna just take a couple of steps. So 1, 2, about 3 full steps, maybe 4 steps at the widest point. This is where the awning comes to, straight down from the pole. And you can see you've got at least 3 feet. There's a door right here that I'm going to open up in a minute. But there's a ton of space underneath here. Here, let's go ahead and measure how much space we have to the truck. So if you just come over here and point down. So that's 8 feet right there. That's 9 feet. So you got 9 feet from the truck to the widest part of the awning. And then in the back, from the back of the truck to the awning, which is pretty far out, it's about 9, well, here's 9 feet right here. So about 9 feet from the back of the truck over there as well. And now let's open the door. Let's walk around over here. We don't have it tied off with these. This comes with 11 tent stakes. We use 9 of them, but I've got extra tent stakes that I'm going to use, and I'm going to create some different tie downs. But this zips up right here. So you can zip this up and fold this up. I don't think there's a zipper on this end. You'd have to undo it and then roll this whole side up. But the door is right here. I'm going to try and do this with one person. It's pretty wide, but it doesn't have to be perfect to roll it up. That allows airflow in and makes it a lot brighter. And if you come over here, so you've got these clips, you just slide them in the hole in the ring and then pull it through, and it's going to hold there. And you got 3 of them on this door. There's 2. And then there's the 3rd one. So it shows you how far away from the truck it really is. Again, this is the 180. We've got the 270 on the other side. And then you've got a zipper right there to where you could roll up this whole panel if you wanted to roll up the wall set and then drop it down in case of a storm or something like that. But it's pretty big. It goes up easier than I made it look. This is only the 2nd time we're setting it up, and it's the 1st time we're staking it down. We're taking this with us to the Yukon in about 43 days. So it's an 8,000 mile journey. It kind of gives you an idea how big this thing is. And this is the 180 kit. So I'll show you, it gets a little bit lighter with the door open inside. There you go. So that's the 180 Peregrine Pro by 23.0 with the installed wall kit staked down. And you see you do have a gap over here, and you have a gap right here. So if it's raining, and you really can't, I mean, you had a cot, you could sleep under here, but you're still going to be faced with bugs. And then this is the back of the truck. So it kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. There you go. 43 days to Yukon River Quest 2026.